In this video, we will discuss safety and proper operation for the cordless drill. Make sure that you are wearing an approved pair of safety glasses prior to using the cordless drill. With the battery removed, make sure that the drill bit is installed tightly in the chuck. You can then install the battery and test the drill bit to see if it is centered in the chuck. If the drill bit is not centered in the chuck, it will wiggle around. This needs to be corrected prior to drilling. Make sure you set the drill to the proper speed. If we're drilling metal, you want to be drilling at a slow speed. Some drills have a variable speed trigger. If the trigger is depressed slightly, the drill will move at a slow rate. If the trigger is depressed all the way, the drill will rotate at a fast rate. Always double check the direction that you're drilling. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. The direction can be controlled by a switch on the side of the drill near the trigger. Make sure any workpiece is secured in a bench vise or with another approved method. Always have two hands on the drill. Remember the rule, if both hands are on the drill, you can't drill through your hand. To keep the drill bit from walking, use a punch to create a divot on the workpiece. And make sure you are drilling with the drill perpendicular to the workpiece. Any tipping of the drill back and forth is guaranteed to break the bit. On the cordless drill, there are a few parts that are important to know the names of. First, we have the keyless chuck. This is the area that the drill bit is held. Next, we have the gear selection, which is located on top of the drill. After that, we have the pistol grip. This is where you hold on to. Then we have the battery, which is located at the bottom of the drill. After that, we have the battery removal tabs. These will need to be depressed when removing the battery. After that, we have the trigger. This is what activates the drill and engages the motor. And lastly, we have the forward and reverse switch. This is what will change the direction of the drill. The most common injury is having one hand on the drill and one hand on your workpiece. It is very common for drill bits to break. And when this drill bit breaks, the broken drill bit will go into my hand. Thus, if you have both hands on the drill, you can't drill through your hand. The second most common injury involves not securing your workpiece properly. First of all, we only have one hand on the drill again because our other hand is securing the workpiece. Having that loose workpiece will cause a hazard in itself, in addition to not having both hands on the drill. Always properly secure your workpiece. If you do not have a bench vise available or it does not work for your application, find another way to properly secure your workpiece so you can have both hands on the drill. Other common injuries occur by starting the drill too fast or jamming the drill bit into the workpiece rather than starting at a slow pace with the drill bit touching the workpiece. And additional injuries can occur if you are moving the drill back and forth as you are drilling. This will cause the drill bit to break and chunks of that drill bit to fly at you.